Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Today I like to give a whoop whoop to Queen B1118. Girl, you support me. You are always in my comment section, so I see you, see me, so I want people to see you. So whoop whoop to you. You guys, today's video is going to be a fun video. I have the Curlsmith copper color. Shout out to my sister-in-law Tiara, y'all. My sister-in-law Tiara be hooking me up. She really be hooking me up. So literally I am going to be trying the Curlsmith color recipe copper. It's a temporary hair color. It's a styling gel. Rinse in one wash. So we're going to be applying this color today. So it says on the back of the bottle, transfer resistant for all hair types, no gloves needed, rinse in one wash. It says that it has some great ingredients in it, like pumpkin, carrot, and orange peel, so, and apricots. And also it do tell you on the tips is to apply a leave-in conditioner before the color to keep your curls hydrated. It says protect your clothes with a towel during application. For more enhanced pop, to add a little more product after the product has dried. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add a little water to my hair because I haven't washed my hair yet, and I know actually, you guys, my hair is in braid, so I'm really gonna be putting this product to the test. I think what I want to do is just put it from here down. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, y'all. Like, I'm not nervous because I've done a temporary hair color on my hair before, but I'm very interested to see what this product is gonna look like. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually get a rubber band, because like I said, I only want to do from here down. So let me get a rubber. Okay, you guys, so the only products that I'm going to be using is the Curlsmith product with some clear rubber bands. I'm going to use my favorite leave-in conditioner and some water. So first I am going to part my hair. So first I'm going to part my hair, and I have a shirt on that I don't care. And if you guys see me looking down to the left or y'all's right, I'm looking into a mirror. So I don't want my hair to be in my face. So I'm gonna try to put these rubber bands in my hair to where my hair is not in my face. And then if I have to, yes. So I think that'll work. Okay, so this is the next section. So I think I'm gonna have 3 sections in my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna have 3 sections in my hair. That's not bad. So I've never seen anybody do this video or try any of these temporary hair colors with braids in their hair, and this is my natural hair. So just showing you guys, I only have 3 ponytails on my hair. So I'm gonna quickly spray my hair with a little water. I'm gonna apply my favorite leave-in conditioner. Let me know if you guys been here for a long time. What conditioner am I using? I'm gonna add that on the ends of my hair just to add moisture. And like I said, I only want this on the ends of my hair because I want to do like an ombre look. So I'm gonna add that to the ends of the hair, and then I'm gonna apply the colors. You guys, this is a great way to, like, if you don't want to dye your hair and you just want to play with color, this is a great way to do that. Is to just play with a temporary color that you know can wash out if you're not wanting to be committed. So now that all of my sections are hydrated, I'm going to add the color. And because it says you don't need gloves, I am not going to put gloves on. Maybe I should get a towel. Okay, so I'm going to just start applying the color. Y'all, look at this color. So I didn't put it all the way up to my roots because I don't want my roots to revert yet. But I think this is nice. Like this is really nice. So I'm gonna sit here and allow this to air dry for probably 20 minutes because I have braids and I didn't wet my hair too much. So they said to let it dry, but I'm not gonna let it dry 100% fully. I'm gonna just go in and add one more coat on the top after 20 minutes, and then I'm pretty sure the color is gonna pop more. But honestly, y'all, this is already popping. And I was really gonna wash it out in one day, but I think I might wear this for a full week to give you guys like a full week's view on if it transfer or if the color kind of fades for you guys. But I was not gonna wear this for that long, but now actually applying it to my hair, I really want to wear this out because it don't look ashy or dusty. It looks very vibrant and I'm actually digging the color. So I'm gonna allow this to dry for about 20 minutes and then I'll be back to add another coat on the top of this. Like I literally don't need to add any more product to my hair. It's only been about 10 minutes and my hair is already probably 40% dry. So I still need 60% left to like let my hair dry. But literally though, I'm gonna add a little bit more to my ends. I didn't put that much water on my hair, so my hair is drying really fast. There is still so much of this product left in here, but I think that's because I have braids in my hair and I'm not putting it throughout loose hair, because I think if I would have put it throughout my loose hair, I probably would have needed probably 3 of these bottles maybe for the length of my hair. Like my hair is super long, but I'm gonna just add the color just to the ends of my hair because it says it's a gel, and to make sure that my ends hold throughout the week, I'm only gonna add a little bit more to the ends because literally though, this color is popping. Like I don't even need to add any more to my hair after it dries fully. Like when it dries fully, I don't need to add any more to my hair. So I'm gonna just add it to the ends of my hair to make sure that they don't look frizzy. So I'm gonna twirl the ends of my hair. This is the first time that I'm reverting the ends of my hair. I'll probably put a little clip in to show you guys what the ends of my hair look like before and then what they look like after. So that's why I'm paying more attention to the ends of my hair, because this is the first time that they've had any type of hydration or moisture, any type of water, and I don't want them to dry like this. If you guys can see, oh, you can see it better that way. I actually want it to dry like this. So I put a little bit of product on there. I twirl it around my finger. And then look, you guys can absolutely see the difference. So that's why I'm focusing more on my ends. I'm not gonna put any more color up the shaft of my hair or the braid. I'm gonna just focus on these ends, and then I'm gonna let it fully dry, and then I'm gonna come back with my hair out of the ponytail so that you guys can see the end result. The curls. Okay, you guys, so this is my hair. It's about 60% dry, so I'm gonna just wait for it to be fully dry. And the next clip that you guys are gonna see with the burgundy shirt on, my hair is 100% dry. I really love the results of this color, this temporary color, you guys. So if you are interested in playing with a temporary color, you guys should grab the Curlsmith temporary color because it is everything. Like, it actually looked like I dyed my hair almost like a blonde Beyonce color, and I didn't have to use no bleach. My hair is not damaged. Do you guys see how the curls are popping, y'all? And this is on braids. Once again, this is my real hair, so that's why my braids look like this, and they can revert and curl up at the end. So these are not extensions, and this color transferred really well into my braids. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I wash this out of my hair, please stay tuned for the next video. Right now I'm just showing you that it did not transfer onto my hands or anything, so it lived up to non-transferring. And if you guys want an update on how the color lasted throughout the week, then just stay tuned for the wash day video, and all that information will be in that video for you guys. Bye.